My name is Gabriella and I work at the Amazeum. And today I'm going to show you an activity we do called Soap Factory. So some materials we have are plastic cutlery with the tips cut off and some craft sticks. We have a little scoop, measuring cup, funnel, silicone cupcake liners, a couple bowls, a whisk, water, and bar soap. For this activity, what you're going to do is grate your soap into your bowl. And you can use as much as you want or as little as you want. You can also use liquid soap if you don't have bar soap. So once you have however much you want, I'm going to pour in some water and take a whisk or other item and mix it up. So as I do this, some of my soap shavings are starting to dissolve into the water. And some of them are still whole. So the more I whisk, the more they will dissolve. My water's getting all bubbly and soapy. So as you do this, you can play with the viscosity of the water by adding more soap and less water, or more water and less soap, and just see what happens. Share your experiences with us on social media, and have a great day.